Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, India plans to double its export target. India defense exports have reached a historic milestone, clocking in at a record rupees 21,083 crore in the financial year 2023-24. This marks a significant achievement and highlights the growing capabilities of the Indian defense industry. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has set a new target for the future, exporting over rupees 50,000 crore worth of defense equipment by 2028-29. This ambitious goal reflects the government's commitment to fostering a robust domestic defense industry and positioning India as a major player in the global arms market. Next, indigenous design for new LPDs. The Indian Navy is gearing up to bolster the amphibious capabilities with the fleet of landing platform docks, that is LPDs, built indigenously. This follows a request of information issued in 2021. The two shipyards, Cochin Shipyard Limited and the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, have thrown their hats in the ring with their own designs. Additionally, L&T Shipbuilding and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited have proposed designs based on collaboration with international OEMs, that is, original equipment manufacturers. The LPDs envisioned by the Navy will boast an impressive capacity. Each vessel is expected to accommodate a crew of 540 sailors and carry up to 900 troops. These behemoths will measure approximately 200 meters in length and displace up to 8 meters of water when fully loaded. In terms of speed, a cruising speed of 14 to 16 knots is desired, with a remarkable range of 10,000 nautical miles at economical speed for extended deployments. Next, Indian Navy building advanced ocean-going tug for Bangladesh Navy. Keeping up the tempo in the arena of defense exports, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited signed an agreement with the Director General Defense Purchase, Ministry of Defense, Government of People's Republic of Bangladesh on Sunday, on 30th June, for the construction of an advanced ocean-going tug. A few weeks ago, GRSC has signed another contract with Bangladesh for delivery of trailing suction hopper dredger. Next, India makes landmark aluminium shipment to Russia. In a surprising turn of events, India has emerged as an aluminium supplier to Russia, the world's second largest aluminium exporter. This development, reported by Sputnik based on Indian customs data, marks a first for recent times. According to the analysis, India exported 44,800 tons of unprocessed aluminium to Russian companies in April 2024, valued at $16.5 million. Next, India to be part of Citizen Astronaut Program by SARA, Blue Origin. In a bid to democratize space, US-based space exploration and research agency SARA and Blue Origin on Monday announced India as a partner nation in their human spaceflight program. SARA will offer citizens from India a seat on Blue Origin's future mission of reusable rocket New Shepard on an 11-minute journey past the Karman line, 100 kilometers, the internationally recognized boundary of space. Next, launching first SSLV commercial mission in 2026. The SSLV rocket lifting off on its second development flight from the Satish Dhawan Space Center SHAR Sriharikota on February 10, 2023. ISRO's commercial arm NSIL said on June 26 that its newest rocket, the Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, will have its first dedicated commercial launch when it puts into orbit the Optimus, a satellite built by Australia-based Space Machine Company. Thank you.